Kathy, love, you are muted, my darling.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you
Morning.
hear me?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay, so we're going to invite all of us into some deep breaths. So everyone just kind of take some deep breaths together. Inhale through the nose and shake it out. Oh, kind of just release anything. We're just getting started this morning. Inhale again and exhale. Inhale again through the nose and exhale. Release everything prior, release everything that's after happening this session, and just taking this time for you and your body to just be and breathe and move through whatever it is that you need to move through. I mean, if you don't know me, I'm Kati, and I love music and sound, and it really helps me, and I know so many people just move through whatever they need to move through. So we're going to be doing some sound bowls, a little bit of breath, and a little bit of drum, and intuitively. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start playing the sound bowls, and we're gonna do a little bit of breath activation so that you can go deeper into it. And so the invitation is for you. You can sit up, you can lay down, whatever feels just really juicy for you. I'm gonna lead you all into a little bit of breath in the beginning so that you can just go even deeper into it. So get really cozy. And also if you have headphones too, that would be amazing. That makes it even more powerful. So all right. So we're gonna go deep breath in. And you're gonna, when you inhale, you're gonna inhale all the way with the belly, going all the way up to the head. And you're gonna release all the way out. When we're doing our breath work, we're actually going to do a series of. Can you all hear me?
Perfect. Yes.
Amazing. So we're going to do a part series where we're going to inhale all the way through the nose. We're going to hold it for 4 seconds. And then exhale out for 4 seconds. And then hold it for 4 seconds. And then we're going to do the same thing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold. Exhale. Hold. All right. I'm going to check with you all. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. pull. Exhale. Hold. You can let go now. And for this session, I would love if you could set an intention for this container. Maybe it's love, maybe it's play, maybe it's joy, anything that comes up, keeping it simple. Maybe it's letting go. Maybe it's just breath. And you're going to have that intention and let it go. And whenever you are moving through anything, you can always come back to that intention. So I'm going to play the pulls a little bit. And I invite you to continue with your breath. Deep inhale. And slow exhale. And just know if you do fall asleep, that is totally okay. Sometimes our body needs that rest.
Kathy, love, I can't hear the symbols.
Really, my love. Oh, thank you for letting me know. Hold on just a
I think there may be a setting that is on that prevents background sounds.
Oh, yeah, you're right, actually. Thanks for letting me know. Yep, I know exactly what you're talking about.
I want to hear those bones.
Yes. I actually remember this. Looked it up. Hold on.
Okay, if you go to the three dots and you go to settings,
Is it the
There's just-
studio sound, right?
you do it. Yeah.
No, I just did it off. Okay, perfect. Thank you, love. Okay.
Yes.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Yes.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, really.
Beautiful. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, y'all. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're coming back to our bodies. Thanks for being with me, y'all. This is great. Great feedback. So we're going to take one deep breath. And sigh it out. Coming back to our bodies. as you hear and listen and take in, feel with your breath. Deep inhale and release, exhale. Settling in. Deep inhale through the nose and release. Focusing completely on the breath. As you breathe, notice anything that can come up in the body and allow it to, whether that's laughter or any emotions. Just let it arise and just notice it in the body. Notice the sensations. Continue being with the breath slowly. And your mind will wander and just coming back to the breath. These sound bowls are healing frequencies, and so they help activate or move. They can also bring a sense of peace or emotional regulation or activating any sensations in the body. Just allow it to feel. Just gonna offer my voice for a little bit.
Continue being with your breath. As you continue being with your breath, I am going to move. We are going to shift a little bit, and I'm going to invite you all into a little bit of a activating experience. And so continue being with your breath, lay down wherever you need to be. I'm going to play a little bit of the shamanic drum. And so the drum is going to be a little bit more of an activating experience. And so just allow it to move you however you need to be moved. And I will sing with the drum. So continue being in your space. And just continue being with your breath. Deep inhale, exhale. And connecting with your heart now. Continue connect with your heart and your breath as I move through with you in this activation. To move with me, either move your body or hum or just shake, and the invitation is there. It's more of an activating, so just feel free to move however that feels right.
Beautiful. Allowing you to be with your breath. Continue being anchored with the breath. Allowing yourself to breathe in the heart. Inhale through the heart and exhale out the heart. As you continue to breathe, I invite you to feel into every inch of your body. Do a little body scan from your head to your toe. And just feel the sensations in each part of your body. If there's any ickiness, if there's any tension, feel into that. And then I'm going to invite you to continue moving. And actually, now we're going to vibrate together with our voices. And so if you all can continue being on mute through this experience so that you can really hear me and the bowls. This is more of an activating experience for you to move through your voice. And so our voices and our channels are so powerful, the way we speak our truth, the way we move through our body with our voice. And so
invite you to just move through your voice without any force, without any judgment, but just pure curiosity. Curiosity of how your voice feels, and curiosity of what needs to be released through the voice. It could be yelling, it could be singing, it can be humming. So the invitation is to move through the voice. And so I'm going to sing, and you can harmonize, you can do whatever it is, but that's the invitation, is to do that. Feel the vibration in your mouth, in your throat. The love in your throat. Just whatever comes out, no judgment, no thought, just feel. Continue being with your beautiful voice, just noticing the textures that it has, noticing just the sensations that come through your throat. And also, if you want to sing also with through your belly, inviting that as well. And so singing from your belly. Oh, yeah. Feeling the sensations. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. The vibration, maybe if you want to go low. And then a little higher. Oh. noticing how beautiful and lovely your voice sounds. Such a unique sound that we all have. Such a beautiful sound we have. Beautiful, everyone. We're gonna tone it down just a little bit. Just notice the sound of your voice, how lovely it is. We're going to take a deep breath in and release. Exhale. Let's do that again. Inhaling and exhaling. Beautiful. And now we're going to continue using our voice for the last little bit. And we're going to bring our hands to lower part of our belly. And we're going to sing a little bit of a tune. I'm going to play a little song and we're just going to sing together. You can lay down, feel free to be comfortable, but just allow yourself to be moved. Little tune just to remind you of feeling safe within. And so it's very simple. You'll catch it. It's very simple words, and you'll probably catch along. And feel free to sing and bring your hands onto your lower part of your belly and just sing and be. I am home again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, I am home again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, when I breathe, when I breathe, when I breathe. I'm going to do this just a couple of times to close out. I am home again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, I will trust again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, when I breathe, when I breathe, when I breathe. From the heart now. I am home again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, I will trust again in my womb, in my body. body when I breathe, when I breathe, when I breathe, when I breathe. Couple last times. I am home again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, I will trust again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, 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 when I breathe. I am home again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe, I will trust again in my womb, in my body. When I breathe. Let that sink in. Take a deep inhale and just let that simmer. And exhale. Another deep inhale in through the nose. And exhale out. If you are lying down and relaxing, I invite you to just start wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers as we come back to the space. Noticing if your eyes are closed, just feeling and noticing the sounds around you. What can you smell? What can you taste? And just noticing your body as you start to wiggle and come back. And I invite you to be here if you want to turn your cameras on. Just be really slow and gentle with yourself. And yeah, the invitation is to slowly integrate, and I invite you to just notice what comes for you. And this is now time to just notice what is alive. And if you feel like sharing, amazing. If not, also, that's totally fine. So any takeaways?
I feel so yummy.
Oh, yay. Yeah.
That felt exactly what I needed and like what I didn't know I needed.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, that was, I found myself humming along with you at the part before you invited us. So it felt nice to just intuitively move into that. And I don't know if I've ever hummed with headphones on before, but it's a whole nother experience. I felt with my hum a singing bowl in my body. Like that's what I was feeling and hearing. And it was harmonizing with your sounds, and it was just
Oh,
so delicious. Yeah.
Yay.
And your song at the end was really
Mm.
aligned for me right now, like more than you know. So thank you.
You're so welcome. I'm so glad it was so good for you.
That was amazing.
Oh.
I
Thank-
thought I was crying
Oh.
whenever you made us, or invited us to feel our body and scan from your head to your toe. Like that really got me. And we were breathing through our heart. And that really just opened it up like the floodgates, just breathing through the heart. Because I've always held on to so much for other people,
Yeah.
the empath. We always want to hold on to other people's feelings in their hearts, and sometimes it's just not worth it. And you have to let those feelings go to move on and move past.
Mm.
And whenever we were singing along and just using our voices and being active in our voice, I couldn't go past like a low note. And I noticed I just kept trying to reach further and further down in to my core. And just like Megan said, whenever you were closing with the song, that related so much to me. And like we're having a lot of fertility issues right now.
Mm.
It was amazing.
Oh.
Thank you so much. It was beautiful.
Oh, I'm so glad. Wow.
Thank you for sharing, Beth.
Yes, it's good to find a group of people that they're like-minded. And there's you just don't find many these days. And if this is how I can do it, then this is how I'm going to do it.
Mm. Thanks for sharing that, y'all. Yeah, I'm working on recording that song. I wrote, it was just an intuitive, it came through. And so, yeah, I would love to, continue sharing that so that you can continue this meditation, on your own too. So thank you, y'all.
Thank you.
Showing up for yourself and just taking time for yourself, it's so that you can continue pouring onto others and just listening. So thanks, y'all. Yeah, I'm going to be doing more of these, and I do one-on-one as well. And so yeah, just that's the invitation as well to take this day to just integrate and feel, and also just be gentle at least for the next hour. Drink water. There can be a lot that be activated now, and so just be gentle with yourself for at least the next couple hours, or even just this day, and just notice what continues to arise in your field too, and just like be with that. And yeah, y'all are amazing.
You're amazing. You sound witch. I love you.
Also, could you hear my voice with the mic too? Was it
Mm-hmm.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it was really beautiful.
Awesome. Well, thanks, y'all, and I love y'all. And
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right,
Have
see
a
you.
beautiful day.
Bye.